welcome to your Locksmith. Okay, got a job here. Garden UPVC door is locked and the key doesn't turn. It turns a bit but doesn't open. So we have to investigate this, get this open first and see what the problem is. Okay, we've got the door open. So we've got to find out what the problem is. So we take out the whole mechanism and the cylinder and have a good check. Found that the problem is the gearbox. So once you say engage the handle, it doesn't lock, and once you've locked it, it basically doesn't unlock. So you've got a faulty mechanism. So we're just going to change it over for a brand new one, and then once we've done that, it should be all working. Okay, I'll go through how to just change over this mechanism. Very straightforward. See if we can see it. So what we need is a Phillips screwdriver, and you got, in this case, 3 holding screws with Phillips screwdriver. Just undo these. Some cases I like to make a note of which screw came out of which position, because sometimes they come in different lengths, so you just don't know. So I've got the new one. I normally just put it side by side, lift off the other one and just keep it in the open position. Okay, so that's put in place. We're just going to test it. So that's the hooks engaged. Okay, that seems like it's working. Okay, there's one more thing that we have to do, and it's to reverse the latch. See if you look. This is the new one that we changed. This is the old one. So it's facing that way, and this one's facing that. So we've got to reverse the new one to match the old one. I'll show you how to do that. So I do engage the hooks. So what that does, that locks the latch in place, and then there's a Phillips screw in the latch. Just unscrew it. Sometimes you don't have to take it all the way out. Let's see, you'll just spin it around, and then screw the screw back in. Now that's reversed. So reset that. So that's how you reverse the latch. So we've placed everything back. This is the original Euro cylinder. You can see it's a bit short. I'll say this is the wrong size, but the existing one, nothing wrong with it, still locks. Locked. Open. So garden UPVC door. Faulty mechanism, got the door open, lock replaced, job done. Hey, thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment, let us know what you think and what else we can put on our next videos. That's it for now. Be good and please stay safe, and I'll catch you up on the next video.